This area used to be a dry wash, and the river used to flow very, very strongly through here, and it used to carry with it a lot of soil, and it would erode the channel each year a little deeper, so that this channel was down maybe 10 feet below what it is now 30 years ago when we came. And you wouldn't have seen green around it. You wouldn't have seen any sediment in the wash at all. It was just rocky. There was no vegetation in the riparian area. In fact, it didn't look like a riparian area. It just looked like a dry, pebbly wash with large rocks. Put in a series of these trincheras, they're loose rock structures, and every year they blew out, and we'd repair them. But each year there would be a little bit of deposit behind them. But this last few years we've had a lot of deposit because there was a fire up above in the hills, a very large fire, and when that fire swept through here, the vegetation on the hill was mostly gone. And so there was nothing to hold the soil up on the mountain. So all that soil was washed down into these little riparian areas. And because of those dams, the soil held behind the dams and filled in. So this is deposit that came from the top of the mountain. Water. And now we're going to follow this seep here out, and you will see that we have a fairly large wetland. This wasn't the case when we came here.